Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Molina and I am here today to present to you the 3Z RF aligner. As you can see, our alignment tool has two operating modes, the antenna mode and the microwave dish mode. You will see these modes as soon as you turn on the tool on the top. Once you click on the antenna mode, you will be able to enter your site ID, your sector ID, and your antenna's position. Your customer will let you know what the target azimuth has to be for that specific antenna, and you will enter that right here. Once you enter that information, this is the actual azimuth of the antenna. And the delta is going to tell you the difference between the target azimuth where you want to be and where you are at. Once this reaches 0 and these two are the same, you have aligned properly. You can also see on this screen the GPS information, which will be populated for you as soon as the satellites start hitting our GPS boards. You will have the information of the date, the time, the latitude, longitude, the datum, and the height. You will also see that we have a lightning bolt. This lightning bolt is called the GPS boost feature. This will increase your GPS reception by up to 30% in the case that you're working with live antennas or you don't have the best clear view of the sky. Once you are done aligning, the user can go ahead and take a screenshot of what they just did. Once you take the screenshot, all your files will be saved in the File Explorer, where you can be easily accessible via USB cable from the unit onto your computer. I'm going to go ahead and press the home button. Now that we are in the home button, I'm going to go ahead and present to you our microwave dish mode. Once we are here, you will see that the GPS information will be populated for you as soon as the satellites start hitting our GPS boards. So you will know the current location of the dish that you're currently on. Now that you know that information, what the user needs to enter and the microwave path information is the lat and long and height and the path name of where you would wish to aim at. Once you do that, the tool is going to auto-calculate this information in order to provide you with the target data. Once you have the target data, you will match the target azimuth with the actual azimuth, the target tilt with the actual tilt. And this just tells you the distance between both dishes. Now that you have been able to align properly, you will be able to go ahead and save your results with the camera feature and retrieve all your results from the File Explorer, easily downloading all the files from the unit onto your computer with a USB cable, which is provided. As you can see right over here, there is a way where you can attach a lanyard in order to protect your unit in case of any accidental falls. And that is the summary of how you can align your antennas and microwave dishes with the 3Z RF aligner. Thank you.